Oh, hello there. This is Shannon Bowdey with Keller Williams, the Pismo Beach Homes team. I'm putting out our open house signs for our big open house today from 2 to 4 p.m. This one's going to be on the corner of James Way and Rancho Parkway. You'll see this one on the corner of Via Paca and Rancho Parkway. Then take a left at Via Paca and Via Bandolero. Last stop is right here at 138 Via Bandolero, where I will be here from 2 to 4 p.m. to hold open this gorgeous home. That's 138 Via Bandolero from 2 to 4 p.m. today, Sunday, July 14th. We look forward to seeing you here. I'll be happy to show you around. Once again, this is Shannon Bowdey with Keller Williams, the Pismo Beach Homes team.